Lakshmi. I'm from Team 3. These are my teammates Sharif, Sunny, Kirti, Kalyan and Saiteja. My contribution towards this project is I am a team leader to this group, and our project name is Self Online Renewal. Nowadays everyone wants smartness, so they are thinking the work should be done very simply and easy way. So we came up with an idea which is very useful for library renewal. We can renew the book by the phone instead of going to the library.
In our project, we have used some softwares like HTML, CSS, Java, Python, domain, server, and database. In HTML, we will structure the website. Using HTML, and in CSS, we will design the website. Whatever designs we are implementing in our website, we will code it using CSS. And in Java, we will place buttons and we will place the mechanisms for the buttons and all those up sliding movements in our website. And in database, we will store our data whichever needed for our website. And we buy a domain from GoDaddy. Domain is an address which will show our website in our online, from where we can search in our Chrome. And we have used server, which is a connection between the database and our website.
The working process of the flowchart is, first we should click on the CMR set login. Next we should log in our ID student login. We should click on our student login. Next, this is our library. In student login, we will find a library. Next, after clicking the library, we should open books. If any renewal, we should renewal our books in a library. Next, we should, if any payment issues there means, we should click on a payment in library book. Next, if any payment dues are there, we should click on the due, and we can after payment doing, the payment will be successful. This is our flowchart. Thank you.
In our project, there are some existing solutions: library catalog system and library management system and library management now without verification books. And there are some identified problems. There is no proper renewal in the project receiving website, so we developed a website which is verify the books on the library. If the book is not verified or the website is allowed user to renew the book, we have created a find section for non-renewal books.
I am going to tell the gaps in our existing solutions. While renewing the books in the existing websites, the website do not verify whether the book is referred to the library or not. So the websites can't verify the books, and it will renew automatically. And there is no find section for the library, as you can take as many days as you want the book. So we have designed a website for our college website to renew the books. With verification of barcode scan. If the renewal is not done, we have made a fine section. With that, you can pay the fine and renew the book. Our process is very secure. Thank you.
Pages of our project are: here we can easily renewal our books by our own without instead of going to the library. And second one is like it is time saving process and easy to. We can pay our fee due by our online. And we have some disadvantages in our project, like we can renewal our books in a limited stock. That, like, if we take any 3 or 4 books, we can renewal only 2 to 3 books. 2 books, that's it. And we have another disadvantage, like sometimes we may get server problem. And
this is our website which we have created. In this we have library section. If we click on library section, it will show us whatever books we have borrowed from our library. In this it will show us renew the book and pay fine options. If we click on renew this book, a QR code scanner will be opened and the book will be scanned and the renewal will be done automatically. And if we click on pay fine options, it will take us to the payment gateway, where we should enter all our credit card and debit card details, and we must click on proceed, by which our payment will be done. Thank you.